Hi there. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps of adding slide numbers in PowerPoint. Including slide numbers in your presentation not only provides a clear structure, but also aids audience navigation and enhances the overall professionalism of your slides. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. To insert slide numbers, you'll need to click on the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. Within the text group, you'll see an icon labeled Insert Slide Number. Click on it. Alternatively, you can also click on the header and footer icon. A header and footer pop-up window will appear. Click on the Slide tab and check the option for slide number by clicking on it. If you want the slide number to appear on every slide, click on the Apply to All button. If you prefer to add the page number to selected slides only, click Apply. There's also an option to keep your title slide clear of slide numbers. Simply check Don't Show on Title Slide if you don't want the slide number to appear on the first page. Once you've made your selections, click Apply to All, and you should see the slide numbers appear. And there you have it. That's how you add slide numbers in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy presenting!